here we are telling you the procedure for multiplying 3-digit numbers by Vedic methods. So now consider 3-digit. One of the 3-digit number is A, B and C, and the second number is D and E and F, and we want to multiply these. Okay, so the answer can be written directly. How? The rightmost digit will be multiplication of C and F. C multiplied by F. This will be the rightmost digit. Okay, let me bracket it so that it will be separated. Second digit will be multiplication of this number. This will be added to multiplication of these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers and these two numbers, both the numbers will be multiplied and then added. Okay, so you have to multiply B multiplied by F plus E multiplied by C. This will be your second digit. Okay, and now you have to obtain your third digit of the multiplication. To find out, multiply C with F. This result will be added to multiplication of D and C, and this will be added to multiplication of B and E. Okay, let me write now numerically, and it will be written like this: D multiplied by C. Okay, let me bracket it here. This will be added with B multiplied by E, B multiplied by E, and this will be added to A multiplied by F, A multiplied by F. Okay, let us erase this so that we can have some space. Okay, you just bracket it. Okay, the first digit C and F, and this is the second digit, third digit. Now we have to obtain the fourth digit. So fourth digit you can obtain by multiplying A to E and multiplying D to B. Both will be added. Okay, so let me write the fourth digit here. D multiplied by B. This multiplication will be added to A multiplied by E. This will be our fourth digit. Okay, actually I should have written this one, this 4 digit at this place, but here space limitation is there. That is what I have written at the bottom. Now we have to find out fifth digit. Fifth digit is the multiplication of A and D. A and D. This is our fifth digit. Okay, so whole answer will be from the beginning A into D, then A multiplied by E plus D multiplied by B, then A multiplied by F plus B multiplied by E plus D multiplied by C, then B multiplied by F plus E multiplied by C, then C multiplied by F. So this is the complete result of multiplication of 3 digits, and you have to remember here that these numbers having in such a fashion that no carryover from the multiplication this multiplication and addition was involved. So we have taken a simple example here without carryover multiplication of 3 digits. Later on we will consider with carryover also, but without carryover, this is the method to find out the answer very easily with the Vedic method. Thank you very much.